Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing machines, specifically the single needle variety. We're going to tackle some common problems you might encounter and learn how to fix them step by step. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the dreaded thread jams. This usually happens in the bobbin area. To fix it, unplug your machine for safety. Remove the needle and the presser foot. Now, take out the bobbin case. Carefully clean out any thread or lint with a small brush or a toothpick. Reassemble everything, rethread your machine, and try again. More often than not, this solves the issue. Next, let's look at skipped stitches. This means the needle isn't catching the bobbin thread. There are several potential causes. First, check your needle. Is it bent, blunt, or the wrong type for your fabric? Replace it with a new one. Also, rethread your machine, ensuring the thread is properly seated in all guides and the tension discs. If the problem persists, adjust your bobbin tension. Small adjustments are best. Another common issue is thread breakage. This can happen with both the top and bobbin threads. If the top thread is breaking, check your thread path for snags. Make sure your spool is feeding smoothly. Also, examine the needle. A burr on the needle can cause thread breakage. If the bobbin thread is breaking, it's usually a tension issue. Adjust the bobbin tension or replace the bobbin case if it's damaged. Let's move on to tension problems. If your stitches are too loose, increase the top thread tension. If they're too tight, decrease it. Most machines have a dial for this adjustment. For the bobbin tension, you may need to adjust a screw on the bobbin case. Make small adjustments and test the stitches until you get the perfect balance. Finally, let's address the issue of the machine not feeding the fabric. This could be due to several reasons. First, check that your feed dogs are raised. They may be lowered for certain techniques. Also, ensure the presser foot is lowered. If the presser foot pressure is adjustable, make sure it's set correctly for your fabric. If the fabric still isn't feeding, there might be a problem with the feed dog mechanism, which may require professional help. Remember, regular maintenance is crucial. Clean and oil your machine regularly, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Keep your machine covered when not in use to protect it from dust. If you're unsure about any repairs, consult your machine's manual or a professional. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.